For those who wants to do some event-based designs, it is a very good idea to do a Google search and compile a list of USA holidays, celebration national holidays and state holidays, and key dates basically such as Super Bowl. And the key holidays are Christmas Day, New Year's Day, Labor Day, Independence Day, etc. There are a lot of different dates that you probably don't hear of. But obviously, these are the main ones. But there are a lot of holidays, such as National Pizza Day, Washington's Birthday, Tax Day, Earth Day, Father's Day, National Flag Week, and that time obviously you can upload a lot of United States flag based design. From here you will get a lot of ideas for event based designs. The web URL of this page is madmanmike.com/us_holidays_dates.html. And our second website is timeanddate.com. Here you can see the list of United States holidays in 2018. State holidays, Civil Rights Day, National Oil Red Day, Valentine's Day, Hindus holidays, and so on. You will get a lot of different ideas here. Really, you should not be struggling for an event-based design ideas. Not only for United States holidays, if you want to target another countries, then in the same way, just simply search for their holidays in Google. You will get a full list of them. Hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching.